Hi everyone! Today we're talking about critters. There's nothing more frustrating than going out to your garden and seeing a bunny hopping out of one of your containers, or looking out your window and seeing the squirrels chowing down on your tomatoes. We've all had that problem and it's super frustrating. So today I'm going to share with you 2 tips for dealing with critters in your garden. Now these greens and spinach look really good right now, but let me show you another container where things aren't looking so good and I'm losing the battle. This video is sponsored by Bonide, and I'm going to share with you a very effective animal repellent that they have in just a moment. But first, let me show you the damage. Here I planted some lettuce just a couple of weeks ago. I was looking forward to coming home from our trip and harvesting it. No such luck. It's been chowed down all the way to the base in 2 different places here in this garden bed. And Camera Guy's Critter Cam has caught some bunnies hopping up on our porch into the garden beds. I'm pretty sure that's the culprit. So if you can, identify what's eating your plants first. Because we have identified that it's bunnies hopping in our containers here, I like to try and cover my brand new seedlings to help protect them. Bunnies especially like the tender new seedlings. So these I actually just planted a couple of weeks ago, and I really don't want the bunnies chowing down. So I'm going to cover them with tulle. It's a netting type of fabric that the sun can still get through so your plants can still grow and thrive. Super inexpensive to buy at just about any fabric store. And it is very, very effective in protecting your greens from the bunnies, from the squirrels, from the birds, whatever is going to come and peck away at your young tender seedlings. So I just cover my garden bed here. This is a little shorty. This will protect my greens, so I have a lot more for me to eat and less for the bunnies to eat. The other thing I've been using is Bonide Repels All Animal Repellent Granules. Now, this stuff is pretty cool because it doesn't harm the animals. It's people and pet safe when you use it as directed. It's got clove and garlic oil in it, so you just sprinkle it around the area that you want to protect, about a 6 to 8 inch band wide. And what this does is it irritates the animal's nasal passages. And when they touch it or smell it, it triggers their natural response to get away, and those bunnies will go hopping somewhere else. Now, I don't have enough tulle to cover all of my garden, so that's one reason I really like using the Repels All too. And it won't harm your plants. Again, it's people and pet safe and use it as directed. If you're using this on grass, you want to lightly water it in. If you're expecting heavy rain, you may need to reapply after a heavy rain. But the good thing about it is it lasts for up to 2 months. So it's this 2-pronged approach, the tulle and the Repels All granules. I know the critters are going to be a lot less likely to eat my plants. Let me know down below if you've got some critter problems in your garden too and how you're dealing with them. We read all the comments and I would really love to hear what's happening in your garden too. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.